Hello everybody, this is Cynthia from 30 Day Soap Garden. This is Memorial Day weekend 2021 on Friday, and I showed you my pineapple soap that I had in the mold the other day. I finally got it out today, out the PVC pipe. Ta-da! Now I put it down in the mold, and I did kind of a character thing on it where I didn't put a smooth bag in it. I put a curl bag in it, so when it poured in, it left crevices like this. This is the pineapple soap. And what I did was I have some coconut flakes. And what I did was I put the coconut flakes down, because this is going to be a pineapple and toasted coconut soap. The coconut pieces are going to act as an exfoliant, and of course the natural shea butter, olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil is going to be nourishing to the skin. So I just took it here. I just rolled it in the coconut. Kind of squeeze it. The soap's still kind of soft on the outside. Then I'll let it cure just like this. I'm not going to put this one in the oven. This is going to just naturally saponify and become soap on its own in 4 to 6 weeks. I'll cut it before then though. Probably cut it in 3 or 4 days. Okay, let me do a fresh one. You can see this is one that does not have the toasted coconut on it. Toasted coconut is here. I'll put some more down. Scale out the way here. This pad I'm using, I get these out the Dollar Tree. These are those pads you use for puppies and dogs. I mean, this is not you because I don't have an animal. But look at it. It has the plastic on one side and like the cotton, I guess you could say I don't know. It's kind of cottony and absorbent on this side so it doesn't mess up my table underneath. You know, that's what happened to the table. So this is the fresh cylinder pineapple soap. So now I'm going to roll the toasted coconut on it. This is real coconut. We don't play here. We want those fatty acids and those links from that coconut to get into the soap. Almost like baking a cake. I'm not baking a cake, but making a dough. Roll it in good. So as it dries, it's going to be such a pretty cut. It even gets in the crevices. Look how pretty that is. That's the rolled cylinder pineapple coconut soap. So you can even see the pineapple pieces coming off. So I'm going to roll these for a couple of minutes. Make sure that the coconut gets in real good. This smells divine. You can smell the pineapple and the coconut together. Almost reminds me of a pineapple cake. Oh, these should be ready for the event that I have in a few weeks. I don't know, I might put this in the oven. I don't think I want to. I think I just want this to air saponify and dry and cure. Just to air cure. This is really pretty. I've been wanting to make cylinders for a long time. I love cooking, you can tell. I look like I'm rolling down, about to make my biscuits. No, but this is natural soap. Handmade pineapple coconut soap. Cut these in little slices. And there you are. Thank you for coming back and checking up with me with the toasted coconut flakes. And we use these with the cylinders. PVC pipe. I don't know, I think this is about 3.5 inches here. I don't know, I'm not real sure. I don't have my measuring thing down here, but I have another one over there too. It's pretty big that I didn't use. Sorry about me not being in the picture, but I wanted you to see the product. I see a lot of videos where people show their face, but then I show the product. But this is it. This is the toasted coconut pineapple soap in a cylinder. It's going to be wonderful. Thank you for watching. Have a safe, happy, wonderful 2021 Memorial Day weekend. Bye-bye.